Assalamu alaikum and good morning all my dear student. Today we start standard 8 subject English chapter 2.2 Nature created man and woman as equal. By the name of the lesson you can easily understand the lesson about the gender equality of man and woman. Now we start the lesson. The first para. The house and its surrounding are a site of peace. In the early morning of April, it nests lays by the side of a small stream of crystal clear water. The stream tumbles down the green mountains only 2 miles or so away. Student, in the first para, the writer explained about the house and its surrounding. कैसी है वो? पीसफुल है. In the early morning of April. Nest less means is close to. उनके घर के क्लोज में एक स्मॉल स्ट्रीम थी जिसका वाटर कैसे था? क्रिस्टल क्लियर. क्रिस्टल क्लियर मीन्स ट्रांसपेरेंट. The stream tumbles down means falls down. The green mountain, which was 2 miles far away. Now see next line. There is a stretch of hundreds of acres of fertile land rolling with yellow mustard flowers between the mountain range and the house. A garden is in front of the house. Trees of many kinds bearing flowers of various hues and fruits grow on all sides of the house. House. So see in the picture, student, जो हाउस था उसकी सराउंडिंग कैसी थी? देयर स्ट्रेच मीन्स ओपन ग्राउंड. जो ओपन ग्राउंड था हाउस का वो कैसा था? हंड्रेड्स ऑफ एकर ऑफ फर्टिलाइन. फर्टिलाइन मीन्स जो लैंड अच्छी होती है जिसमें क्रॉप्स की ग्रो बहुत अच्छी होती है. रोलिंग मीन्स एक्सटेंडिंग इन लॉन्ग जेंटल स्लोप्स. उसका जो ओपन ग्राउंड था वो क्या था? एक्सटेंड था विथ येलो मस्टर्ड फ्लावर्स बिटवीन द माउंटेन रेंज एंड द हाउस. और जो गार्डन था उसके इन फ्रंट ऑफ हाउस उसमें मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ ट्रीज एंड फ्लावर्स थे जो ग्रो हो रहे थे ऑल साइड ऑफ हाउस. Now the next paragraph. The courtyard smells of jasmine, which blooms in bunches of white pearls. The fragrance mingles with the thin smoke that rises from sweet-smelling incense sticks. The burning incense sticks are glowing at the altar of God in the middle of the courtyard. Courtyard means open space of ground. वो कैसा स्मेल करता था? विद द जैस्मिन फ्लावर एंड द स्वीट स्मोक ऑफ इंसेंस स्टिक. इंसेंस स्टिक मीन्स अगरबत्ती जो हम यूज करते हैं व्हेन वी प्रे टू द गॉड. जो इंसेंस स्टिक थी ग्लोइंग करती थी एट द अल्टर ऑफ गॉड इन द मीटर ऑफ कोर्टयार्ड. जो कोर्टयार्ड के मीटर में वो इंसेंस स्टिक क्या करती थी? बर्निंग करती थी to the altar of God. So we continue with the next paragraph. Ashangabi is in her reading room and is busy writing an article. She is a middle-aged mother of 3 children and a journalist and women's rights activist. Lentoy, her youngest daughter, enters the room. She is an intelligent girl. Today she looks thoughtful and she takes a seat by her mother's side. Ashangabi, she is a mother. She is a middle-aged mother of 3 children, and she was a journalist and human rights activist. Lentoi, her daughter, she enters the room, and she was an intelligent girl. वो एक intelligent girl थी, but today she looks thoughtful. वो thoughtful लग रही थी, and she takes a seat by her mother's side. At the sight of her child, Ashangabi lovingly asked, "Have you finished your study, my dear?" "Yes, mother. I finished it last night. Today being Sunday, I want to do something interesting," Lanthoi says and waits for her mother's response. "Tell me what you want to do," Ashangabi asks her, quite amused. "Mother, tomorrow I am going to represent the Siroy Lily House as a speaker in a symposium at our school. The topic is God created man and woman as equals. Will you spare some time to have a discussion with me?" Lenthoi presses on her mother. So, अजहंगमी ने लविंगली उसकी डॉटर से पूछा कि तुमने अपनी स्टडी कंप्लीट की. शी सेड यस, आई हैव फिनिश्ड लास्ट नाइट. टुडे संडे है, एंड टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट वन स्पीच ऑन द टॉपिक गॉड क्रिएटेड मैन एंड वुमन एज इक्वल. सो कैन यू हेल्प मी in discussion of this topic? Symposium means a meeting at which experts have discussion on a particular topic, and praises means persuade someone to do something. So लेंथोई अपनी मदर अशाम्बगी को praises कर रही थी to do something for her. So we continue with the next paragraph. Lenthoi has just had a discussion with her father on the topic. Tomba, her father, is a husband supportive of the activities of his wife and a loving father. He is a lawyer and a social worker who advocates the cause of women. He is always proud of his wife, the 2 daughters, and the son. In times of need, he extends his helping hand to his wife and children and to the society at large. He does not discriminate between a man's work and a woman's work anywhere. He shares equally with his wife in doing the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, and feeding the children. Had he not shared in these activities in the way he does, his wife would not have been a successful professional. He wholeheartedly believed in equality irrespective of class, religion, and gender. So student, Lenthoi had already discussed with his father on this topic. Tomba कौन था? Her father. वो एक सपोर्टिव हस्बैंड था और अपनी वाइफ की एक्टिविटीज सोशल वर्कर की थी, उनमें हेल्प करता था. ही वॉज अ लॉयर. वो एक लॉयर था और एक सोशल वर्कर भी था जो वुमेन्स राइट को सपोर्ट करता था, और वो बिलीव करता था इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैन एंड वुमेन इन द सोसाइटी. इवन ही हेल्प हिज वाइफ इन हाउस होल्ड वर्क. वो अपनी वाइफ की हेल्प भी करता था घर के कामों में, बिकॉज वो टोटली बिलीव करता था इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैन एंड वुमेन की. In his discussion with his daughter, he laments over the great injustice done on women in the society, telling her, "My dear child, the world is still full of inequalities. We have to find a way to bring equality between man and woman. Her father's words are still ringing in the ears of Lentoi, and she tells her mother of what her father has told her. In the discussion with the daughter, टॉम्बा ने अपनी डॉटर लेंथोई को क्या कहा कि ये जो वर्ड है इसमें ग्रेट इनजस्टिस हुए किस पे, वुमेन पे. सो हमको क्या करना है, फाइंड आउट करनी है वे टू ब्रिंग इक्वलिटी बिटवीन मैन एंड वुमेन. उसने लेंथोई ने ये सारी बात किसको कही, अपनी मदर को, कि उसके फादर ने उससे क्या कहा है. Appreciative of her husband for his views, Ashangabi says, "Your father is right. In no society do women enjoy the same opportunities enjoyed by men. It is because of your father that I feel no difference or inequality at home. But outside our home, I have seen that women have been subjugated in many ways. It is against the will of God. God has sent men and women to our earth to share the joys and sorrows of life equally, to share His blessing and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. This is what your topic means." Ashangabi appreciated her husband's view. Ashangabi said her daughter Lenthoi, "Your father is right. In our society, वुमेन्स को वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है जो मेंस को दी जाती है. बट बिकॉज ऑफ योर फादर दैट आई फील नो डिफरेंसेस और अनइक्वालिटी एट होम. बट जो आउटसाइड है हमारे घर के, मैंने देखा है, आई हैव सीन द वुमेन हैव बीन subjugated. Subjugated means controlled and dominated over. Dominated होते हैं in many ways. It is against the will of God. ये God के will के against है. God ने मैन और वुमेन को अर्थ पे भेजा है to share the joy and sorrow of life equally, share His blessing and to enjoy the bounty of nature equally. दिस इज वॉट योर टॉपिक मीन्स. ये आपके टॉपिक का रियल मीनिंग है. Ashangabi knows well that men and women are equal. Women who are half of the human race are as important as men. She writes and talks about such topics. Her daughter, though a child, also understands well that her mother is not a person of larger equality than her father. She says, "Our home is full of love with you, mother." The mother beams with joy at the words of her daughter. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love in a family. This bound of love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified and women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. Ashangabi knows well that men और women क्या है, equal है. Women क्या है, who are half of the human race. Just like important men है, वैसे ही important है women for human race. She writes and talks about such topics. Topics कौन से? Men and women are equal. जब उसकी जो बेटी थी, तो a child, but she also understand well that her mother is not a person of lesser quality. उसकी मम्मी भी एज इक्वल क्वालिटी रखती है जस्ट लाइक हर फादर। उसने अपनी मम्मी से कहा कि हमारा जो ये होम है इज फुल ऑफ लव विथ यू मदर। बाय लिसनिंग हर डॉटर्स वर्ड Ashangabi beams. Beams means become happy with joy. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love in our family. हमारी फैमिली में हमारी मदर क्या होती है? फाउंटेन होती है लव का। और उसका जो प्यार होता है वो बियॉन्ड होता है कंपैरिजन विथ एनी अदर थिंग्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड। Because of this motherhood, she has been glorified and accept the challenges in life to become a mother. Now see next paragraphs. Showing deep affection, Ashangabi continuous pointer women testify to the equality of women with men. Actually, life is not possible without both men and women. Lanthoi has been fascinated by the stories of pioneer women. Her grandmother had narrated many stories of the brave queens like Lanthoingami and Kuranga Neni, who were as brave as kings. There were also many brave women among the common people. These women, as her grandmother narrated, were makers of home, family, society, and the nation. They were civilizing influences. At the same time, in Freeland, plucked and raised crops with their own hands and drove cattle. Modern women have become mountaineers, naturalists, astronauts, scientists, soldiers, and political leaders. This proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do, and also that women and men were created as equals. Showing deep affection, अशांगबी कंटिन्यूस बता रही थी पॉइनर पॉइनर मीन्स अ पर्सन who is among the first to take up a cause, especially in a new region. Testify means provide proof, evidence. Pointer women prove that key equality of man and woman. Actually, life is nothing possible without both man and woman. Lanthoe has been fascinated. Fascinated means बहुत ज़्यादा शौक होना by the stories of pioneer women का। उसे बहुत अच्छी लगती थी stories किसकी? pioneer women की। Her grandmother had narrated many stories of the brave queens. उसकी grandmother ने उसको बहुत सारी stories बताई थी great women's की, who were as brave as king. There were also many brave women among the common people. से बहुत सी brave women हैं हमारे बीच, जैसे कि हाउस मेकर, फैमिली, सोसाइटी और नेशन को बनाने वाले। सिविलाइजिंग मीन्स एडुकेटिंग। ऐसी वुमेन्स क्या करती है? शेयर करती है उनका जो नॉलेज है इन द सोसाइटी एंड ऑल्सो शेयर इन फ्री लैंड प्लग्ड। प्लग मीन्स बीज बोना एंड रेस्ड क्रॉप मीन्स फसल मीन्स क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करना विद देयर ओन हैंड्स एंड ड्रॉ कैटल, और वो जो क्रॉप्स है उनको कट भी करती है। इतना ही नहीं, जो मॉडर्न वुमेन है वो क्या बन गई है? माउंटेनियर्स। माउंटेनियर्स मीन्स पहाड़ों पे चढ़ने वाले, नेचुरलाइज्ड मीन्स नेचर को समझने वाले, एस्ट्रोनॉट्स मीन्स आसमान में, बताने वाले आसमान में क्या है, जो रॉकेट साइंस होता है, स्टार्स के बारे में होता है वो। साइंटिस्ट, साइंटिस्ट पता है। सोल्जर्स मीन्स आर्मी, एंड पॉलिटिकल लीडर मीन्स पॉलिटिक्स में भी अब वुमेन्स एज ए लीडर काम करती है। दिस proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do, and also that women and men were created as equals. Okay, understand? Now see next paragraph. Then she asked her mother further, "Mother, you have thrown light on the equality of man and woman, and also have emphasized that the world is still an unequal world. Then what I would like to know is if there are moral, social, and legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and mental potential and to set themselves free from separation." Amazed at the curiosity of her daughter, Ashangabi adds, "There are many under the acts of the United Nations. There is a declaration for a new world of equality. It has the following dimensions: A. Equal access to basic social services including health and education. B. Equal participation in political and economical decision making. C. Equal rewards for equal work. And D. Elimination of discrimination and violence against women." Then the Lanthoy asked, पूछा उसकी मम्मी से कि मदर, यू हैव थ्रोन लाइट ऑन द इक्वालिटी ऑफ मैन एंड वुमेन. थ्रो लाइट ऑन मीन्स टू गिव इंफॉर्मेशन और एक्सप्लेनेशन. उसकी मम्मी ने उसको एक्सप्लेन किया था कि कैसे मैन एंड वुमेन कैसे है, इक्वल है. और इसके अलावा उसने वो भी एम्फेसाइज किया था, मतलब जोर दे के बताया था कि ये जो वर्ड है इज स्टिल एन अनइक्वल वर्ड. अभी तक इस दुनिया में वो इक्वलिटी नहीं हुई है बिटवीन मैन एंड वुमेन की. देन शी आस्क्ड, व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू नो इज इफ देयर आर मोरल, सोशल एंड लीगल प्रोविजन to enable women to express their physical and mental potential. Potential means the qualities that exist and can be developed. She said her mother कि कोई ऐसे moral, social और legal provision है जो women को enable करे to express their physical and mental potential, और उनको क्या करे, सेट करे फ्री फ्रॉम सेपरेशन. अशांगबी अमेज्ड हो गई ये देखकर कि उसकी डॉटर को कितनी क्यूरियोसिटी है ये सब जानने की. देन अशांगबी एड्स, मैंने उसने बताया, देयर आर मेनी अंडर द एक्स. एक्स मीन्स विद द प्रोटेक्शन और सपोर्ट ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और पर्सन. उसने कहा ऐसे बहुत ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो क्या कर रही है, सपोर्ट कर रही है वुमेन्स को फॉर अ न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑफ इक्वालिटी. इट हैज द फॉलोइंग डायमेंशंस. डायमेंशन मीन्स एस्पेक्ट. इक्वल access to basic social services including health and education. मीन्स वुमेन्स को भी इक्वल एक्सेस होगा बेसिक सोशल सर्विस में इंक्लूडिंग हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन. देन सेकेंड, इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन इन पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिकल डिसीजन मेकिंग. मीन्स उनको इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन दिया जाएगा पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिकल डिसीजन मेकिंग में। थर्ड है इक्वल रिवॉर्ड्स फॉर इक्वल वर्क, दोनों को इक्वल रिवॉर्ड दिया जाएगा फॉर इक्वल वर्क। एंड एलिमिनेशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड वायलेंस अगेंस्ट वुमेन, एलिमिनेशन मीन्स गेटिंग राइट ऑफ, एक्शन लिया जाएगा उनके खिलाफ जो वुमेन्स पे वायलेंस कर रहे हैं, यानी उनके साथ गलत कर रहे हैं, उन पर अत्याचार कर रहे हैं। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ लास्ट पैराग्राफ्स। Then the mother concluded, "My dear daughter, we can affirm along with the United Nations that men and women are equals." Lenthoi understands what her mother means and what the topic of the symposium means. Thus, confident of success, the next day after thanking her mother, the girl of 12 happily rushes out of the room. In the bright morning sun, the blue sky meets the range of the eastern mountains. The small girl is always fascinated by the small trail which winds up the distant purple mountain. Student, the mother Ashangabi finally concluded that we can affirm along with the United Nations, जहाँ पर मैन एंड वुमेन क्या है, इक्वल. So student, finally Lenthoi understand what her mother means and what the topic of symposiums means. Thus उसके बाद उसके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया सक्सेस का. नेक्स्ट डे आफ्टर क्या क्या उसने थैंकिंग किया उसकी मम्मी को. द गर्ल ऑफ 12, वो कितने साल की थी, 12 ईयर्स, हैप्पीली रशेस आउट ऑफ द रूम, वो जल्दी से अपने रूम के बाहर आई. इन द ब्राइट मॉर्निंग सन, किसमें, ब्राइट मॉर्निंग सन में. द स्काई मीट्स द रेंजेस ऑफ द ईस्टर्न माउंटेन. द स्मॉल गर्ल इज ऑलवेज फैसिनेटेड बाय द स्मॉल ट्रायल विच winds up the distant purple mountain. So student, लेंथोई बहुत खुश थी कि she completely understand what is mean of gender equality. So student, the whole lesson is review around the equality of man and women, जो किसने दी है हमको, नेचर ने. I hope you understand this lesson. Read at home if you have any difficulty. Thank you. Have a nice day.